Saturday, April 3rd, 2021. Hi guys, today we'll be taking a look at the Performax detail sander. I'm hoping for the price, which still wasn't much, but it was over $10 more than the win I took back. Remember that? I don't know why I'm so excited about it, but I guess they give you a little accessory with the price bump. All right, so when you open the box up, this is what you should expect to find. All right. Today was actually a good day today. So this is started off pretty well. So what do we have here? Okay, we have the okay. Looks like we have the paper here, some of the sandpaper. Here we have, okay. Gonna figure out what looks like a strap. Is the sanding paper here. You know what? When they say detail sander, they mean it. Look at here it comes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, you can tell the cord is significantly longer. Okay, let's take it out the plastic. Okay, it's okay. Rubbery grip here. A little more rubber, plastic. Okay. We have even better. This isn't even a bag. This is much better than a bag. I'll say that much. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. I just want to get to the parts list to see what we have. Here we go. All right, what do we have here? Special pads. That's what these pads are. Special pads and scrubbing foam abrasive. Okay. And we have, of course, our 80 grit, 100 grit, 120, 24 grit sandpaper. And we have a hook and loop detail sandpaper, a lot smaller, but okay. All right, let's see what we have. And this on-off switch, it's a lot better. So you'll like this a lot better. I guess it's true what they say. You get what you pay for. I just took it out slightly just so I could demonstrate. See, it comes out no problem. And this is actually, you know, the dust, when you have something like this, it's not gonna, you know, a lot of times the other ones, the cheaper ones, you know, the dust is still kind of coming out a little bit. This one, you shouldn't have that problem. And for anyone that doesn't know, according to the illustration, this is what this part is for. You attach it under here, okay, like so, and it's clearly here. And then you come with the, I mean, when we talk about detail, this is what we're talking about. So I just wanted to point that out just in case it wasn't clear. Well, folks, if you're looking for a detail sander just for small projects, I think you'll like the Performax. It's light, nice grip, like the dust bag, I really do. Actually, the price is okay for everything you get. Plenty of accessories and of course the, I don't know why I'm so excited over this. I really like this bag, I'm sorry. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is nice for the price. You know, I'm one of those guys that I don't like spending too much on certain stuff. But you get what you pay for, though. I think this has turned out better than what I was actually looking at. But this is a nice touch. These guys, they did a good job with this. So if you're looking for, again, a sander for small projects at home, give this a try. You might like it. I plan on doing some paint projects soon, so of course I'll be using this, so look out for that in the future. We got a lot of stuff to do from now till the end of the year. So again, thanks for watching. You guys take care. Have a good day. Bye.